In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change board visibility on Trello. We'll walk through where to find the visibility controls on a Trello board, what each visibility level means, and how to confirm your choice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep a board private, share it with your workspace, make it visible to your organization if you're on an enterprise plan, or publish it publicly when that makes sense. Start by heading to Trello in your browser. From your Trello home, look toward the top of the page and click Boards. This takes you to a view where all the boards you have access to are collected, which is the easiest way to jump into the one you want to update. Pick the board whose visibility you want to change and open it. Inside the board, focus on the header area near the board's title. You'll see a small label that indicates the current visibility, such as private, workspace, organization, or public. Click that label to open the visibility panel. You might also see a link or button labeled Change Visibility. Clicking either will open the same settings. Let's quickly go through each option so you know what you're selecting. First, choose Private. This means only people who have been explicitly added to the board can see it. It's the safest option when you're dealing with drafts, sensitive notes, or early-stage projects that only a few collaborators need to access. Next, switch to Workspace. With this setting, everyone in your Trello workspace can discover and view the board, unless your workspace has custom restrictions. It's ideal for cross-team transparency when you want colleagues to find the board without inviting each person individually. If you collaborate broadly across a single workspace, this is often the default you'll use. If your Trello plan includes enterprise controls, you may also see Organization as an option. Selecting Organization makes the board discoverable across your entire company's Trello organization, which can span multiple workspaces under a single admin umbrella. Use this when you want broad internal visibility, but still want to keep the board off the public internet. Now click Public. A public board is visible to anyone with the link, and it may be indexed by search engines depending on your settings. This is useful for documentation, open roadmaps, or community resources where external viewers should be able to read your content. Be careful, public does not require a login to view. Before choosing public, remove or hide anything confidential and confirm with your admin that public boards are allowed. For our example, we'll set it back to workspace so the board is visible across our team while remaining private to the outside world. Once you've made your selection, close the visibility panel by clicking the close icon in the corner. Your change is saved immediately, and Trello updates the label in the header to reflect the new visibility. There's also a second way to reach these settings from the board menu. In the top area of the board, click the three-dot button to open the board menu. From there, select the entry that shows the current visibility, such as Visibility, Workspace. This opens the same visibility panel you used before, so you can confirm or adjust your choice. When you're done, close the panel again. A few quick notes to wrap up. You may need to be a board admin to change visibility. If you don't see these options, check your permissions or ask a workspace admin. Some organizations enforce rules that disable public visibility or restrict organization-wide sharing, and anytime you make a board public, double-check lists, cards, attachments, and comments for anything you wouldn't want on the open web. That's it. You've changed your Trello board's visibility and learned when to use each option.